In this episode, we're going to be writing some short I words. The letter I has many sounds, but the short I sound makes the sound I, as in inch. Here's how we're going to do this. Listen for the word, pause the video, write the word, then unpause the video to check your answer. Let's get started. Write the word rip. Check your answer. Now change rip to sip. Check your answer. Now change the S to a D. What word do you have now? You're right. You have dip. Now change dip to tip. Check your answer. Now change the T to an N. What word do you have now? You're right. You have nip. Now change nip to hip. Check your answer. Finally, change the H to an L. What word do you have now? You're right. You have the word lip. Great job. You were able to read and write short I words. I hope you liked this word ladder. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.